It's been very long time since I've done a video, and today being the 75th year of independence, I thought why not go live, and happy Independence Day, everyone. So today I just came live so that I can discuss, just wish you guys moreover. And there was a one doubt which was asked me by one of my students. So I would like to discuss that. The doubt was, basically what he had asked me was the difference between ME engine and Wärtsilä. Just in general, I don't want to drag the video too long. So what is the difference basically in ME engine? What happens is we all know we have the hydraulic pumps, and the hydraulic pumps or servo oil pumps, which we call, is building up pressure, and that pressure is used to operate the fuel pumps, and this fuel pump will be supplying. So in normal engine, what happens? We have the fuel cam, which will activate or push the plunger, and then the fuel goes to the cylinder. Whereas in ME engine, the activation instead the fuel cam doing, you have the hydraulic pressure which does. Now there are some models in that, in which one of the engines where you are still using exhaust cam, whereas the other one there is no exhaust cam used, there is completely camless. Now this is about ME engine. Now in Wärtsilä, what actually happens is, when I say Wärtsilä Artiflex. So what actually happens there? There also we have hydraulic pumps which are building up the hydraulic oil pressure, which is going to be used to operate the high pressure valves. Now what happens is, in short, what is happening is you have two pumps. The fuel pumps in normally which we have six numbers, here you just have two numbers, and those will be located somewhere down. Now these two pumps are operated by a cam which is driven, which is in the form of a triangle. Now what is going to happen in one cycle? Instead of getting operated once, this cam is going to operate the fuel pump three times. So since we have two pumps, what is going to happen is each pump is getting operated three times, and these two pumps can do the job of six pumps. Now whatever these two pumps are pumping is going to one common manifold. Okay, and in this common manifold the pressure is built up to 1000 bar. Now what actually happens is this pressure is going to get supplied to the engine, whereas in ME engine what happens is you have your individual pumps. They are not operated by cam, but they are operated by hydraulic pressure. So even though there will be slight fluctuation in pressure, whereas in Wärtsilä what happens, since the manifold is loaded or pressurized at 1000 bar, when it enters the engine, it is entering directly at 1000 bar. Okay, in between obviously you have the high pressure valves which are going to get activated depending upon the requirement. Otherwise, whatever oil pressure which is going to the pumps is directly 1000 bar. So this is the main kind of a difference between the two. So because of that, each of the company will claim that yes, my system will give better working and better efficiency and better output. But theoretically wise, you might say, since there is hardly any pressure rise which is taking place, but yes, definitely there'll be some fluctuation which might be taking place in Wärtsilä also. So accordingly they'll be having accumulators in the line. So that's it for today. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now, and if not, I will wind up the session for today. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks a lot, and happy Independence Day once again.